Hi everybody, this is Mr. Jason. Welcome to Fun Friday Drawing. We're going to need a pencil, an eraser, and a piece of paper today. We're going to draw landscape, so it's going to be wider than it is tall. If you want to color it later, you'll need markers, colored pencils, crayons, something like that. We're going to start our drawing, which today is of a panda, with our panda's head. We're going to start in the middle of our paper, but up towards the top somewhat. And we're going to start with a curved, almost a half circle. Just like that. And we bring it down just a little bit. Then we're going to bring the cheeks out a little bit. And then we're going to connect these two with just a little bit of a curved line for the bottom part of our panda's mouth. On either side of this curved line, we're going to draw another half circle for our panda's ears. The panda's ears are black, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly add a little bit of color, or in this case tone, to both ears. Bear with me just a moment. Now we're going to draw our panda's nose. We're going to just make a curved line and then come down to a point on either side. Nose is black as well. Color that in. On either side of our panda's nose, there are going to be oval shapes. Oval is basically just a stretched out circle on both sides. But those are not our panda's eyes. Those are actually just patches. I'm guessing the pandas use them to identify one another. Inside of those patches there are circles. These actually are their eyes. I'm going to add a dot inside those circles, and then these patches are actually black. So while we color that in, I just want to remind everybody that we're just doing the best that we can, being patient and kind to ourselves. Not looking for perfect, we're looking for fun. Okay. We drew this little bit of a curve down here. What we're going to do is draw a curved line up and lead it into that oval. We're going to do that on each side. Curved line. Just have it meet the side of that oval. And we're going to go to the point of the nose, draw a straight line down. We're going to draw a curved line that meets that, and a curved line that goes out. That's our panda's head. Now we're going to draw our panda's legs. We're going to find this cheek, and we're going to draw a curved line that comes down on each side. At the bottom of these two lines, we're going to draw a curve and then come back up. Curve, come back up. We're going to draw a line that comes back up towards the head on each side, and a zigzag that connects them. This will be the part of the panda that separates the black fur from the white fur. Zigzag till we get about halfway, and then zigzag the other way. These are the front paws. We're just going to add a couple of points for the panda's claws. Pandas have claws. Even though they just eat bamboo, they have claws. Probably helps them tear the bamboo. This part of the panda is black. We'll try to color that in a little bit later, but I don't want you to sit and watch this video of me coloring in that big patch because that would take a lot of time and wouldn't be a lot of fun. On the side over here, we're going to draw a big oval. Again, just a stretched out circle. Over here on this side, same thing. Oval. And in that oval, we're going to add 3 smaller ovals. And under each oval, we're going to draw a shape that looks kind of like a kidney bean. I'll draw one over here so you see what I mean. A curved line. Come under. And then curve it up. Also kind of looks like an Xbox controller. We'll draw it over here as well. Curve line. Curve under. And kind of go up. Xbox controller. Don't believe me? Xbox controller. Above each of these little ovals, a claw. Again, panda is a bear. It's also a marsupial, I think. Between the foot and the shoulder, we're going to add the part of the back leg that we can see. This is the front of the bear's belly. It's not an empty space, but it's white, so there's not a whole lot we can draw there. What we are going to do is draw some grass that our bear is sitting on. What we're going to do is draw some zigzags, a lot of them. They're going to be tall and skinny, and some are going to go this way, some are going to go that way. You'll see what I mean. So we're going to come from the side and draw a grass zigzag. So I'm going one way, now I'm going to switch. Now I'm going to switch again. And get to the foot and stop. Between the bear's 2 paws, I'm going to draw some more grass. I'm just going to draw a zigzag. Pretend the grass goes across the foot and then pick it up over here. Zigzag that way, zigzag back the other way, zigzag that way. All the way off the paper. So it looks like grass. I'm going to add some more in the front. Just add some tall zigzags just to make it look like grass. Now we're going to add some bamboo. We're going to do a very gentle wavy line all the way up. On the other side, we're going to go a wavy line the other direction. Very gentle, very slight wave. And between these two, you see those 2 peaks, curved line. We do the same over here, curved line. Got a diagonal line off the side of this bamboo. And some leaves. Our leaves are going to just be curved line, curve line, curve, 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 curve. Just bamboo. And that's our panda bear's favorite food. We have another stalk of bamboo over here. Gentle wavy line to the top of her page. Going the opposite way. Between these 2 peaks, curve line, small branch, and just a couple of leaves. Those are just curved lines. And we'll have another one come off the side. I'm going to pause the video for just a second. I'm going to color in my bear so you don't have to watch me do it. Okay, so I've colored in the front legs. I want to show you a technique because we're using black. If we colored the front legs and this paw and this back haunch here, if we colored it all black, it's going to look like one really big blob. And it would be okay. But let me show you a technique real quick. I'm going to color in this haunch. I'm going to leave a white line. I'm going to draw a curved line. I'll show you the foot close. So I drew a curved line around the foot. I'm going to draw a curved line around the leg. And I'm going to leave that part white, but color in the rest of it. So there's a white line between the two. I'm going to do it again over here. I'm going to draw a curved line, goes along this arm, and a curved line that follows the line of the foot there. I can color in the rest of that back leg, and now it's separate. You see how now I still have the front paws, and I still have the back paws. And I also have a line that can let me separate the foot from this arm. But right here I need the line as well. So I'm going to draw a curved line right there, and a curved line right there. And then I can color in the foot. And as I do this, I'm second guessing myself. Is a panda's foot black or white? I will check in just a moment. By the way, this panda has black feet. And we're going to do the same over here. We're just about done with our panda. I just wanted to show you the way to separate things that are the same color. You leave a little bit of a white line, a little border between them that still separates the colors that you're using. And you can do it with any color. If something's all blue and you want to give a little distinction between things, just leave a little bit of a line between them. And that's what I mean by that. If I was to finish coloring it, the grass would be green. I'd leave the belly white. The stalks of the bamboo are kind of a tan color. You know what? I'm going to pause it again. I'm going to color it with my colored pencils, and you'll see what I mean. And that's what I meant. The grass is kind of a green color, and the bamboo is a tan. And I added the bamboo shoots over there. Those are green. Well, obviously, it's your artwork. You can color it any color you want. If you want to make the toes pink or something like that, that might be a good idea as well. But anyway, I'm adding a little color because when you're drawing with an animal that's primarily black and white like this, the color adds a good contrast to that. It makes it a little more visually interesting. Anyway, that is our panda. I hope you enjoyed drawing it. And appreciate your patience with letting me color a little bit. And I will see you next Friday with more fun Friday drawing.